Buy a lemon tree. See the shuku here. See you can see it. Let me touch it. Ow. Thing pricks me. Then this one is the lemon fruit. You can see the lemon fruit. But what makes lemon tree good? What is its value? Yes, this lemon tree has a lot of usefulness. You can say, for example, the fruit, for example, is very highly medicinal. You can use it to make any herbal medicines at all if you are not feeling well or if you are not feeling fine. This lemon fruit, when you making medicine called Bobo Nchijibu, is a native name. I don't know what the English name for that medicine, but it's a herbal medicine. You pluck the leaf of the Bobo Nchijibu. I will show you later on in the video the leaf of the Bobo Nchijibu. Use the lime, cut the lime into two. You pluck like 4 lime, slice it, then put in the leaf, then pour hot water in the pot. Then after that, you pound garlic, ginger, put grind avocado seed, then put black pepper seed and eat them fruit. Mix them all together. You have make a herb. What is this lemon fruit used for? They are used in curing sicknesses, used in medicines to cure some malaria. Acts like a natural malaria drugs and the rest. Now let's dive into the next part. The bubble leaf. As you can see there, like I talked about previously when I was discussing the lemon fruit. These bubble have many uses and it comes in very high values. Bubble leaf, they are used to cure many illnesses. Like the lime, it acts as a natural malaria drug. When you are not feeling well, you take it. When to cure illness, when you want to prevent illness, drink it enough. This is the leaf for the bubble like I told you the procedures earlier in this video. Now next up, the next plant, the scent leaf. Yes, all of us around the world know the usefulness of this leaf called the scent leaf. Look at it closely and carefully. You see the scent leaf right over here. And this scent leaf comes in many values. This scent leaf can help in curing catarrh. When you don't have catarrh, then cough. These two symptoms. Hmm? You can. It's easy. The process is easy. You wash the leaf. You pluck the leaf, wash it, and boil it with water. You understand? This is the process of making. You can also put it in your nose to inhale when having catarrh, so the catarrh will go. Then after you have done putting your nose, you blow your catarrh off. It works magically. Let's move on to the next plant. The purple leaf. Most of you may be wondering how. Yes, this purple leaf is very medicinal. It comes in high quantity. Though the taste is bitter, but procedures are easy to make. First, you wash this leaf of the pawpaw. Then you pour cold water into it. You don't need to boil hot water and pour in it. Just put cold water on it. Then squeeze the water out from the leaf. Then, if to avoid the bitter taste of this leaf, you have to add some honey. pawpaw leaf. They are good in curing illnesses like constant urination and the rest. It also helps in reducing blood sugar level. Try it if you love this pawpaw leaf. Nature has a lot of things to offer. That's why we explore nature. These plants you see around us, don't take it for granted. You can use to cure any illnesses. Some plants they are also used as skincare. And some plants, you know, some plants can cure a lot of illnesses. Soursop, for example, we don't have it in this garden, but there is medicinal. It reduces cancer and destroys free radical in your body. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.